Okay, on the 767, here is the maintenance panel. It's whatever with remnants of the old flight engineers panel. So what I'm going to show is the air data computer tests. Those are the overspeed tests, and what you're going to see is a warning on the upper ICAS, and you're going to see these the airspeed indicators spin up. So left and then right, all you gotta do is push and hold this up and watch what happens. The warning going up, and that's the left side. Okay, let go of the split switch and it goes back down to normal. Okay, and also I forgot to tell you, also on the lower ICAS, it's gonna give you something else. So now the right side. Okay, yaw dampener indication, overspeed on the ICAS. And then just like that, and that's it.